Hello, Nick. Good evening. Hello, Nick. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Very good. How are you?
I'm happy.
Wow, nice. What's the weather in your place, Nan?
It's cloudy.
What's the weather?
It's cloudy.
It's sunny. That's great because it is sunny. Have you eaten dinner already?
Yes,
Nice. What did you have for dinner?
I have a egg, soup, and rice.
Wow, that is perfect, Nan. Okay, for tonight, we are going to learn about Tet Holiday. Do you like Tet Holiday?
Yes,
Yes. So when is the Tet holiday? Is it in December, January, February, or March?
one, one.
Yes, that is in January. Very good, Nam. Okay, now let's learn the vocabulary. I want you to look, listen, and repeat.
Watch firework.
With firewood.
Very good.
With
I want you to say
firewood.
firework, firework.
Firewood.
Very good. Do you like watching the fireworks?
Mm, yes, it's
Wow,
very.
that's great. That's great, Nan. All right, so when can you watch fireworks? Is it only during that holiday? Nan, do you watch fireworks on that holiday?
No,
No? Oh, all right. So when was the last time that you saw a fireworks? When was the last time that you saw a fireworks?
I don't know.
You don't know? All right. Now look,
Visit relatives.
Where's radio?
I want you to say visit, visit.
Visit.
Very good. Relatives.
Relative.
Nice. Visit relatives.
Visit. Relative.
Nice. Okay, who are the relatives? So when we say relatives, those are our aunts, uncle, who else? Cousins, grandma, grandpa, our family, our extended family. Those are relatives. Okay. So do you have many relatives, Nan?
The chicken good.
Nice. Do you visit your relatives on Tet holiday?
Yeah.
Very good. Who do you visit?
Huh?
Who do you visit?
I don't
Is it your
know.
grandpa or grandma?
Oh, it's
Who do you
grandma.
usually? Your
Grandma.
grandma. Very good. Okay.
Uncle.
Now, yes. So when we say relative, those are our aunt, uncle, cousins, grandma, and grandpa. All right. Okay. So do you visit your relatives, Nan?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, now look.
Receive lucky money.
Huh? Look,
Receive lucky money.
receive Ricky money.
Very good. Okay. So do you receive lucky money?
Yes,
Wow. Who usually give you lucky money?
I don't know.
Oh, listen to this one. Who usually give you lucky money?
Người thường tặng bạn. Người thường tặng bạn tiền may mắn.
Yes, Nan.
Hmm?
Who usually give you lucky money?
It's Rema.
Grandpa. Very good. How much does grandpa give?
Rema.
How much do they give you?
Oh,
Trả cho
uncle,
bạn bao
uncle,
nhiêu?
uncle, uncle, uncle,
How
uncle.
much, Nan?
Okay. Okay.
How much do they give you lucky money?
Okay. One.
Họ trả cho bạn bao nhiêu?
Okay.
Wow, 1 million, right?
Yes, it's
Very
uncle.
good. Oh, it's uncle. Nice. So what do you do with your money? What do you do with your money?
No.
Oh, listen to this one. What do you do with your 1 million from your uncle?
Thì su su kể là
Wait a minute.
bạn làm gì với $1 triệu từ chú của bạn?
What do you do? Do you buy toy or do you save it?
Buy a food.
Buy food. Very good. What food do you buy? Nice, Nan.
Go to the pagoda.
Okay, now look, go to the pagoda.
Pagoda.
Yes. Do you go to the pagoda?
I don't know. Pagoda.
Right. Pagoda is like a church.
Chùa giống như một nhà thờ.
Do you go to the pagoda on that holiday? No.
Clean
Okay.
house.
Try house.
Clean house. Do you clean your house, Nan?
Yeah.
Very
And
good.
clean your house.
You say, I clean my house.
In my house.
Very good. Okay, so which room do you clean in your house? What room do you clean in your house?
Bạn dọn dẹp phòng nào trong nhà bạn?
It's living room.
Living room. Well, very good, Nan. Now
Make
look,
banchung.
you say make bancho.
Mẹ bán trứng.
Very good. Okay,
Mẹ bán trứng.
do you
Bánh
like
trứng.
do you like chunky?
No, I like bánh thịt.
Pancake. Okay, what about banchan? Like this. Do you like bancho? Do you like banchan? Nan,
No.
no, you don't. All right. Now, what do you do on that holiday, Nan? Nan, what do you do on that holiday? Yes, Nan. What do you usually do on that holiday?
Ăn mát bánh tráng.
Very good. What
Mát
else?
bánh. Ăn watch fireworks.
Nice. Okay.
Ăn
What
bánh
is your
nào.
favorite thing to do on that holiday?
Hả? No.
Bạn thích làm gì nhất vào ngày lễ Tết?
I like clam house.
What's that I like?
Clam house.
You like to climb the house?
Yes.
Oh, all right. So this time, I want you to look and say, what do they do? Look and say, what do they do? Hello, Nan. What do they do?
Do you can watch a firework.
Okay, you say, they what? A firework. What do they do?
They watch a firework.
Very good. Okay, now what about them? What do they do?
They mount a painting.
Very good. What do they do? What do they do?
They visit relatives.
Nice. All right. So what can you do on that holiday, Nan?
They read your
Receive?
lucky money.
I want you to say receive.
receive,
Yeah, so they receive lucky money. Okay, now this time, I want you to look and read. What do you do on that holiday?
I climb how make benching backfire
And watch
and
fireworks.
fry,
Okay, I want you to say clean.
clean.
All right. Okay, now, what about you, Nan? Okay, let's talk. What can you see on that holiday? Hello, Nan.
Hello,
Okay, what can you see on that holiday? I want you to listen to teacher and answer in a complete sentence because we're going to talk. First question, what can you do on that
I can
holiday?
see uh I can see a pagoda.
Pagoda, very good. What else?
I can see a Christmas tree.
Christmas tree. That is for Christmas, not that holiday.
I can see a benching.
Yes, a chung cake. Nice. What else?
I can see a firework.
That's perfect, Nan. So what do you like to eat on that holiday?
I don't know.
What do you like to eat every that holiday?
A pancake.
Pancake. Very good. Anything else? What else? Do you also like to eat spaghetti, cake, ice cream, noodles? Hello, Nan.
Hello.
Okay. Do you also eat spaghetti on that holiday?
No.
No, very good. Okay. Do you often receive lucky money?
Hmm?
Yes or no? Do you receive lucky money on that holiday?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, so what do you do on that holiday, Nan?
I can make benching.
Very good. What else?
And I can watch a firework.
That's right. Very good, Nan. Okay, so thank you so much for answering my questions. So for that one, I'm going to give you 5 stars. So what did we learn tonight?
I learned what? Firework.
I learned about that holiday. So what are the things that we can do in that holiday?
What firework?
Watch fireworks. Very good. What else?
Fish, fishes, railers,
What's that?
fishes, railers.
All right. I want to say visit relatives.
Relative.
What else?
Receive lucky money.
Yes, receive lucky money.
Go to the pagoda.
Go to pagoda.
Clean house.
Anything else?
Clean house.
Clean house. Very good. Now,
And make
Nan,
banking.
yes, let's make banchong. Very good, Nan. Okay, so Nan, I want you to look at the picture, look at the words, listen and repeat. Okay, say visit,
Needed.
relatives.
Relative.
Nice.
Receive.
Receive,
Relative. Receive.
clean.
Clean.
All right. Now, I want you to look and read. What did you learn tonight?
I learned a holiday.
Such as,
One, a firework.
nice. What else?
Friendship. Relative.
Visit,
Music.
very good.
Receive a lucky money.
Nice.
Go to pagoda.
Very good.
Clean house.
Clean house.
Clean house. Make
Then,
banking.
that's
Banking.
right. Nice,
Banking.
Nan. So, of
Art.
course, I'm going to give you another 5 hearts, 5 stars. So, Nan, do you like that holiday?
Yeah.
Very good. What can you do on that holiday?
I can watch firework and go and make banking
Very
and
good. That's
clean
right.
house.
Wow, that's nice, Nan. All right, so for tonight, you got 10 stars. So thank you so much for joining our class tonight, Nan. I hope that you learned something. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Goodbye.